What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. Today's episode, we're in Berwick, Pennsylvania, visiting my cousin Brian here. We're stripping down this 56 Thunderbird, getting all the chrome pieces off it. It's gonna get sandblasted tomorrow, so yeah, I'm gonna help him work on this. Enjoy the video. Here we go. Here's Brian, my cousin Brian. Say hi for the channel.
Howdy.
Yeah, so 56 Thunderbird. What motor is this again?
I believe 292.
292, all right. Car's really not in terrible shape. I like it, I dig it. Yeah, it's gonna get sandblasted tomorrow, so we're getting all the chrome stripped off. I guess some of these areas need masked off with tape, like around the windows here. That's what Brian told me earlier. But I'm gonna grab a wrench and jump in and help him out. All right, I'm gonna see what it's gonna take to get these fender pieces off. I'm guessing we're gonna go in through the wheel well here. So put a light back here and see what it looks like. There's got to be like.
Don't cringe. Yeah, they're definitely on there with threads.
Okay.
This one may not be.
Brian already got the wipers off. Got the piece out of the hood here. We gotta get the rest around the grill here yet. Gotta get this emblem off. There's a bunch of chrome on the back we gotta take off yet. Door handles.
Locks.
Locks, yep. And a trim around the tail lights here. That's gotta come off as well. Well, you got the emblem off here. That's cool. All right. This piece, on the other hand, let me stick my hand up in here so I can feel anything.
There's something there.
Oh wait, hold on, no. I got a bolt head. Actually, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's gonna be fun. Got my Fog Monster Lemon Creamsicle Hazy IPA here. It's pretty good. Yeah, it's decent. This will work. Yeah, that'll work. All right, he's working on the fender emblems. I'm gonna work on this piece here. We're gonna take this grill out first. That should help get these bolts out of here. Get this top piece off. Okay, that piece is off. Get these bolts under here. I'm sorry, under here I mean. Hopefully it brings the grill out, and then we can get this piece off. All right, so I almost got the grill out here. I got all the bottom bolts out. It should pop right out now. Let's see what happens. All right, I got the grill out. That was fun. Put this back here to rest. Nice antlers.
Dogs, chew toys.
Chew toys. All right, we're gonna get this emblem out of here first before I tackle this trim. All right, got the emblem out. I'm gonna stick the bolts back on the back, that way they don't get lost. Well, I had no luck in getting that piece out, so Brian's gonna attempt to get it out here. Once this is out, I think everything else is off the cart we need to get off, right?
Just tail light housings.
Oh, taillight housings, that's right. We'll go back and see if I can assist with that while you're working on that. So we gotta get these off now. Probably through the trunk. Yeah, let's try that out. There we go. Trunk full of parts. Probably back in there somewhere. Handy dandy Milwaukee light. Let's try that out. There's the bolts we got to get out right there. All right. Yep. This should be what, 1, 2, 3 here. Probably some up top as well. Brian says there's 2 more bolts up in here. Oh, how the hell am I gonna get that?
You probably have to come from here.
Feels smaller.
They might be.
So Brian's been doing this a long time. Me, not so much. Actually, I don't think I've ever worked on a car this old. If you call taking a few bolts out working on a car, but you know.
Working's working.
Yeah, wrenching is wrenching. There it is. Yeah. I got that. I guess we'll disconnect the oh, excuse me, wires here. Somehow.
2, none, 1. Okay.
Yeah, there we go. There's that. We're gonna put this assembly back together, put the bolts on it, that way nothing gets lost. Put the seal on here too, that way it stays with it. All right, so all the chrome is off the car except for the door handles and the locks. Those are just too much of a pain. Like Brian said, that'll keep the sandblast from getting inside, right?
Mm-hmm.
So all that's done.
Tape it up.
Those get taped up. Got the tail lights out. Let's take a look inside this thing while we're recording. Oh, this is neat. I'll tell you, man, this car is like a time capsule. It just takes you back. Like 1956. This is amazing. I don't think I've ever sat in a car this old, to be honest with you. Car's got 56,000 miles on it. Lights left there. Wipers. Cigarette lighter. Yep. Radio. Air conditioning. Let's pull the door shut once. It's even got power windows. Power seats. Oh, there we go. Smells old too. So Brian's out there hooking up a jumper. He tried to start it. Didn't turn over. So this is interesting. The speedometer has like another window in front of it. If you can see that or not. Yeah, that's neat. Alright, so Brian's got the battery tender hooked up. Horn works. Yeah. Yeah, he's got the battery tender hooked up. I guess we'll let it sit for a little bit. You gonna try to start it again tonight, or are you just gonna let it sit overnight?
I'm gonna have to try to start tonight.
Okay.
Drive it outside.
Alright. Yeah, we gotta get it out of here for the sandblasting process. Cool. Alright, well, we'll give it some time. Yeah, pretty neat. So, I think we're done with it for today. We're gonna clean up, put the tools away, enjoy a few beers, and get a bite to eat. We'll resume tomorrow. Hello there, sir. Chewing on the bone, chewing on the antler. Alright, so it's the next morning. Car's getting taped up. Once this is all done, it'll be getting pushed out of the garage here. Or driven out of the garage, whatever. Got jeans in there to plug the holes, keep the sand from getting in. Try to keep as much out as we can anyways. Alright, so we had to move the trucks to get them out of the area. Don't want them anywhere near where the sandblasting is going to occur. Alright, Brian says we're ready to get the car out of here, so let's give it a shot. We'll try to drive it out, obviously. We want to try to push it out.
We're not pushing this.
I didn't think so. Local Boost Plus. Oh! Turning over. There we go. Shut the hood. So this generator is going to run the air compressor, get the air he needs. And that green tank over there has the sand in it, sand and glass. Yeah, pretty neat operation. Yeah, we're going to keep our distance. I won't be anywhere near that thing. Plus, I don't want to inhale it, so we'll go back to it when it's done. All right, so in the meantime, we're gonna get the smoker going here. I guess Brian's already got it going. Yeah. So, revving pork butt, is that what we got? Yeah, pork butt. Should be eating good later. All right, so we got the pork butt out here. Brian's got a job for me. Plus, he's gonna explain what we're gonna do here.
Well, the first thing we're gonna do is we gotta be quick.
All right.
So I'm gonna get that unwrapped. I'm gonna stick it in here.
Okay.
And then I need you to be quick behind me with the door.
All right. Put you guys down over here. That way we can get this done real quick.
Door open.
All right.
Rack close. Internal temperature of the meat's 51 degrees.
All right, so Brian says the internal temp of the meat is Well, it's showing 47 now. We have it set at 300. It'll go down, yeah.
As it reads.
Oh, wish you guys could smell this. It smells so good already. Just the
Smoke in the heat.
yeah, just the pellets, man. Oh, yeah. All right. Here's the progress on it.
Yep. Yeah, I don't have to go back.
Amazing to see what's under all that paint. Little repairs. I think you said there was some lead filler in here somewhere. Yeah, that's pretty neat. You look pretty good in this car.
I hope not.
Rufus, come here. Stay right here, buddy. I'll get the garage door. Not terrible, but definitely needs some work. Rocker panel's rotted out over here pretty good. So that's gonna need fixed. Quarter panel above the rear wheels, that'll need done. Top will be coming off eventually and be lightly sandblasted. Took the hood off, gonna sandblast the bottom of the hood. That really made a mess. But yeah, it can be cleaned up. Took the top off too, and the car looks way better at the top in my opinion. And Chris over here discovered the car had a factory soft top stashed down in here. So that's pretty neat. I think if this was my car, I'd keep the soft top on. Not even monkey the hard top. Unless you're driving in the winter, but
the brakes.
I wouldn't be driving this in the winter, so yeah, pretty neat. Pork butt is done. Brian is slicing it up, and man, is it looking good. Yeah. The smoke rings. Can't wait to dig into this. What do you think? Pretty good? Oh yeah. Time to eat.